What's up, YouTube? My name's Anthony, and I've decided to put together a new computer, a new gaming rig for the upcoming games coming out later on this year, preferably Battlefield 3 and Elder Scrolls Skyrim. So today is the 16th of July, and I have the first few pieces that for my build. So I just wanted to show it all to you. So here we go. Excuse the shaking. I don't mean to make anyone sick, but I don't have a tripod just yet. So here's my first part, the EVGA GTX 570. I'm really excited about this because I've never had a processor, or excuse me, a video card that is this powerful. So I'm really looking forward to getting it in my system and seeing games being played on it. I'm sure you've seen unboxings of this video card and everything, so I'm not going to worry about doing all that. You probably already know what comes in it, but this is the super clocked one, so I should be fine with playing Battlefield 3 on this. Moving on, my power supply. Power supply is the Corsair Gaming Series 800. Eventually, I'm probably going to upgrade this because I want to get two of these bad boys in this computer eventually, but for right now I'm just rocking the one. So I went with the Corsair GS800 for the power supply because I know it's going to provide ample power to power the system. And lastly, what I've started off with is the Corsair Vengeance 4GB DDR3 RAM. Now I can't really go into the specifics of other than just what it says on the box, but I know it will match up with the motherboard that I intend to get, and I'll be letting you all know about what that motherboard is once I get it. Like I said, today is July 16th, and this is the beginning of my gaming rig, so I will keep you all up to date. Talk to you later.